Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Soundgear Sense wireless Bluetooth earbuds or earphones and you need to pair them with your iPhone, with your Android, your Samsung laptop, etc., any kind of Bluetooth device. Now you might be wanting to do this for the first time, or you might want to pair a new device. So if you want to do this for the first time, it's really quite simple, because what you're going to do is you're going to put them in the case, close the case, and then when you open them for the first time, they will automatically go into pairing mode, which means these will be blinking blue. Then we're just going to go into the settings of our phone, select Bluetooth, go to the list of available devices, and select the Soundgear Sense earbuds. Now, if we want to now pair them with something different, what you're going to need to do is put them back in the case, close the case, and then disconnect the Bluetooth from the device that they're on, because once they're connected to something, they will automatically connect to that every time they turn on. So you'll need to disconnect the Bluetooth from whatever they were connected with before. Then again, open it up. They'll blink blue again, and you can then go on and select go on your other device and select it, and then that one, once you turn these off, put them back in the case and take them out again, they will blink blue again, but automatically connect to that new device. Now, if you're still having issues not getting them paired or connected properly, because they're connecting to the wrong thing or something like that, or not connecting, I recommend you try a factory reset, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that.